Want to share your project's preview to friends for free? Step 1. Open GitHub. Step 2. Sign into any account or create one. Step 3. Create a new repository. Enter repository name. Step 4. Upload your files and make sure the HTML file is named as index.html and CSS file as style, CSS, and JavaScript file as script.js to work properly. Step 5. After uploading, click the Settings button. Then click Pages. Then select Main instead of None. Then save changes and wait until the domain is ready.
A few moments later.
It's done. Now share this link to anyone, and he will be able to preview your project.